Today, after more than 4 days of traveling from the central city of Da Nang, the mobile charity kitchen named Field Kitchen arrived in Nậm Lúc commune, Bac Ha District. Fresh produce like pumpkin, potatoes, eggplant and seafood from the central region was prepared on site.
We brought everything, vegetables, fruits, fresh fish. We're happy to contribute our efforts to support the community.
The kitchen serves 3 meals daily, preparing 500 to 700 portions, adjusting as needed based on the demand of locals and frontline workers.
In times of need, we'll be here. If another place needs us, we'll go there too. Wherever help is needed, we'll be there. These meals are for those providing aid, for isolated residents, and for villagers in more remote areas.
Providing support to those in flooded areas is not just an effort of volunteer groups, but also a shared aspiration of many individuals and organizations. The mobile kitchen is expected to continue operating until the lives of the flood-affected residents return to normal.